Hello traders, the title of the video is Powerful Stock Trading Tactics One Must Know. Alright, so if you are in a stock market trading or investing, there are few things that you need to know. Alright, so without too much story, if you look at the price action here, alright, the old candlestick bar, long candlestick bar, got a shadow on top. Now, what this is telling us that there were sellers here. So you may say to me, Joel, you said it before, and I know it, and I'm not going to watch the full length for this tutorial. It's a mistake. All right, stay with us, please. So there were sellers here. The next thing that we know also in the stock market is that the smart money always buy at a specific price or sell at a specific price. So they sold it in the zone. They have good reasons why they sold it there. You may not know the reason, but the chart is telling you, or the candlestick bar is illustrating the activity of the smart money in that zone. No question about it, all right? So what's going through our mind now is that because they sold it in this zone and they tend to sell at a specific price, there is a high chance that if the price reaches that same zone, they will try to sell it again. You may say, George, I already know that. Why should I watch this video? Now it's becoming very interesting now because I'm talking about powerful stock trading tactics. For those reasons, another thing that I want to share with you is that in the stock market, all right, the smart money does not buy or sell at the market price. They do not. So you may think that, all right, price going up now is at this price, and they just buy there or sell there. When the market, they will use what we call limit orders. So what they usually do, or what the smart money is doing, is nothing wrong, all right? They are risking a lot of money, so they must take precautions, okay, and they also protect their trade very, very. So they must have defensive strategy in place. All right, if you have millions of dollars of your client money and you put in the stock market, you must have defensive measures. All right, call it a firewall to protect that investment in the market. So there are tactics. Okay, methods, strategies that the smart money is using, and I will share some of them with you today. So now, because they will try to sell here when the price comes to the same zone. Why? Because they sold it here before, and they try to sell at a specific price here. They will place orders here to sell already. So those orders will be already placed there before the price even reaches that zone. You'll see that what I'm going to say now will become very, very interesting to you, and you understand why. So there will be a lot of orders here to sell. How do we know? Because it has happened here before. There's a high chance, all right, that they will place orders here to sell before the price even reaches that level. Right, so now you see now, okay, so one more thing. There's nothing new, all right, in the stock market. What has happened before is likely to happen again, and we can use the past, okay, to forecast the future. We are not cheating. All we do, we just keep our eyes wide open. What has happened before? They sold it here. There's a high chance that they may do exactly the same thing here, but we don't assume anything, all right? We don't become arrogant or complacent, all right? Try to, jump ahead of everybody. So we know there will be other place already here. So another thing that you need to understand is that those market orders attract the price. Now, normally I should charge you millions of dollars for saying that. Now, this to make you laugh. Forget about the money. All right. So orders attract the price. If there are a lot of orders packed here to buy, all right, the market naturally, all right, the market is trying to provide liquidity. Okay, market makers are providing liquidity into the market, so they will try to fill those orders. So what do you think now? So what can we deduct from that? So market trying to fill orders. So they sold it here, they try to sell at the same price, a specific price. Before the price reaches that level, they will place orders here. If those orders are there, what will likely to happen? They will attract the price. Okay, now you understand a bit about the stock market. But, there is a way people use this method to manipulate the market. If you do that, okay, do you know the SEC, okay, Security Exchange Commission? They will chase you. Don't do that to play. Do not use, this, video, the understanding I'm providing to you in the video, okay, to manipulate the market. It will become illegal to drive the market in one way, another. That's another video, but I'm just pointing it out, okay? Don't do anything illegal in the financial market. Now, so the point I'm making that there's a high chance. Now, all I'm talking about here is a probability, high chance that something is likely to take place. And if it's taking place, traders should take advantage of it. Very simple. So if orders are already placed here to sell, those orders will naturally, the market will try to fill those orders. So we can deduct that there's a high chance that the price will try to come near that zone. Yes or no? So how we as a stock traders can take advantage of that? That's a very good question. So because I'm on a quarterly chart, you see here, in the quarterly chart, you see those candlesticks bars. It's like they're stretching their neck. Can you see? They were stretching their neck, heading to that direction. Doesn't mean that will definitely, George, now it's guaranteed. Judge, guarantee that it will reach that level. No, it can change direction from here and start coming down due to economic news, due to other factors that are moving the market. All right, so it can go down from here. All right? But because our expectation is that it may go to that level, all we can do now as a technical trader, your quarterly chart is a good time frame for finding excellent trading setup because the hedge funds are using. We'll come back down to the monthly chart. You see now. So on the monthly chart, the strategy that you can use as a technical trader, because there is a high chance that the stock may go to that zone. Yes or no? Okay. So for those reasons, all you have to do, you see, this is what professionals are doing here. All right. So each candlestick bar, the highlight the high, the low, and the median line. So the previous candlestick bar, see this one here. So we are in the month of April now. That zooming to each other. This one is not yet closed. All right. So as soon as one candlestick bar is closed, this one, you highlight the high, the low, and the median line. Okay, now, median line, see. So the close of the month of March, this is exactly what the professor did. They will try to buy near the median line of that candlestick bar on the monthly chart that is closed, and they will try to buy also above the high. So we are looking for pullback to retest the median line and continuation, or breaks above the high of this candlestick bar here, breaks above, retest, turn around. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to color the median line into pink. All right. And I will color the high into red. All right. So that's all you need to do. So because the expectation that the price will continue to display higher lows, higher high, if it is going to reach that hot spot trading zone, all right. Therefore, we want, if it's going to form a new high, we need to higher the high, the low, and the median line of the previous candlestick bar that is closed. So at the end of April, because today is the 24th of April 2017, at the end of April, we'll apply the same thing, high, low, median line, and then you just wait. Wait like a cat, all right? Is there a pullback to retest the high, or is there a pullback to retest the median line? If that's the case, implement a top-down trading method and buy it, and look for, implement a top-down trading method to buy it. So what I meant by implement a top-down trading method to buy, I mean that implement, top-down trading method to control the risk. The pullback to retest the high or the median line are trading setup. Now, we wait for those trading setup to generate valid bullish trading signal. If there is no signal, well, there's no signal, we can buy. Do you see now? So because expectation is that it will continue to go out. If it's going to go out, you will form higher lows, higher high. So therefore, one can look for an opportunity to buy near the median line or the high. So if I go from the monthly chart to the daily chart, pay attention to the pink and the red line. Let's see, you see, You see the media line? So he breaks above the media line and retests it on the daily chart. This is what the professional do. You see the stock gap up. You see the gap? You see the gap, my friend? You see the gap? And he's running away. All right. Now it's above the high of the month of March. Now, is he going to do something like this and retesting, even going a little bit below it before coming back? Or is he going to form, okay, a higher low above that high? Right? Or is he going to continue to go up like this, all the way up till the end of April? That is the question. So you see here, this was a good place to buy here. This is a bullish, okay, signal for those who are swing trading using a monthly chart for the setup, daily chart for the signal. Here it was, your signal here. It was a tricky one because it gap up. Right, so you will go to the daily chart, observing a reaction in this zone. You go to the hourly time frame for your entry, or observing the reaction here. Hopefully you catch it before it gap up. Otherwise you have to chase them here. Gap up, boom. All right. So do you get a message? All right. You want to be a stock trader, you need to understand how the stock market functions. So to summarize this video, all right, first thing that we know is that there's nothing new in the financial market. What has happened before is likely to happen again. So if the smart money sold it at this price in this zone, there's a high chance that they will try to sell it again there. All right. So, and the smart money does not sell or buy at any price. They buy or sell at a specific price. They also use limit orders, which means they place orders in place before the price reaches that level. They don't usually come and buy and sell like this. They will place orders because they want to sell. They say, I want to sell here. They have done the fundamental analysis. They have a good reason. They want to sell or buy. And then they go and place orders to buy or to sell, which means brokers will receive orders, buy this stock for me at S price or below that price. Okay? So orders are there. As orders are coming in the zone, or piling orders here, selling orders, this is distribution. Therefore, the market makers must fill those orders. They must provide liquidity in the market. How they provide liquidity? By filling orders. So for those reasons, the price has a high chance to fill those orders here. How is going to fill those orders if it doesn't reach that level? Therefore, we can deduct that there is a high chance, not guarantee, high probability that the stock may continue to go up until you reach those zones where orders are little to be filled. So now for us, with those observations and those understanding, those knowledge, okay, we want to use a strategy, all right, a powerful stock trading tactics to trade it. All right, we go to the monthly chart. All right, it's going to go up, must go. Okay, display new higher lows, higher high. So we highlight the high, the low, and the median line of the prior candlestick bar. And the best place for us to buy is near the median line or above the high. And in each case, we just apply different time frame trading method to control the risk, so we can time the market correctly. Okay, without ignoring, all right, the trading triangle. The market first, where is the S&P 500? What is the market doing? Is the market bullish? All right. If the market is bullish, we implement bullish strategy. If the market is bearish, we implement bearish strategy. All right. And then we take it from there until we get paid. All right. So this is the end of this tutorial. It's a short video about a powerful stock trading tactics one must know. If this video, okay, is useful to you, all right, please give us the thumbs up. So by giving us the thumbs up, I know that, all right, this trader saying, oh, this video has been useful to me. If you think that this is another blah, 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 George, all right, so give us the thumbs down, then I know that, okay, George, you must improve your recording, all right? But if you think this is an amazing video, well, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about powerful stock trading tactics one must know. Speak to you soon.